Oh, I got hit. There he goes. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Suburban Angling, and thank you for clicking on this video because I'm really excited to present it to you guys. It had a nice change of pace for me, and hopefully for you guys too who have already been watching my videos. You guys know I've been ice fishing the last couple of weeks, and actually the last like 2 months. But now I'm back out on my kayak. I finally got out on the river, and you guys know which river that is if you watch my videos as well. And I was out there slaying some pike. I went 2 for 5. Didn't catch everything that saw my lure, but it was still nice just to get some blow-ups, feel some strikes, feel something tug. It was a real, like I said, real nice change of pace. Another thing I want to talk about before this video starts is my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff on my Instagram behind the scenes and just what I'm doing on a daily basis when I'm fishing, even because I fish a lot and don't post videos, you know what I mean? It's not like every time I fish I record a video. There's times where I might go out there and I catch 1 or 2 fish and I record them, but I don't put them in a video. I just, you know, post the clips on my Instagram, or I might use them as a bonus clip in a video later. But moral of the story is, you guys should, if you're not following my Instagram, you really should be doing that, because I'm active on there all the time, pretty much every day, and it's a great way to keep in touch with me and send me DMs, and also just keep in the loop of, you know, what I'm doing, what I'm posting, and all that. Anyways, I don't want to keep this intro too long. You guys know how I like to keep it simple, so if you guys enjoy this video, go down in the comment section after it, leave a nice comment, tell me what I did good. If you guys didn't like the video, leave me some good criticism down below. Can always use other people's ideas to help better myself, and you guys know how that goes, so peace out. This is like a really good spot for something to be hanging out. Oh, I got hit. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He crushed it right off that rock right there, guys. That was a nice hit. All right, I'm gonna get him on a hook, and then I'll get a professional little, you know, look-see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a northern pike, and an angry one. I've been keeping him revived in the net. You can see he's ready to go already. But yeah, he's about I'll give him, actually I have a tape measure. There we go. All right, guys. Let me make sure you guys can see. Yeah, let's move the camera up a little bit. All right. That is a northern pike out of the DPR. He's about a 2-3 pounder. Let's measure him real quick and then put him straight back in the water. A rough measurement estimate, he is, oh yeah, he's basically, he's like 21. This is a very fat, like very healthy pike out of here. I'm very glad to see someone this healthy out of here. I want to get a nice release out of him, so let's let him go. There he goes. Oh! Got him. Get in here. Hell yeah. Let's go, boys. I'll take that. Let go of my bait. There we go. Caught on the Strike King little spinner bait. It's nice. Nice fish. Fat, healthy, little chunky. Ooh, don't you? Oh. There we go. Nice fish. First fish of the day. Displays River Pike. Honestly, he came out of nowhere. Nice little 14, 15 inch small little whatever dink, but he's healthy and I like that. Let's get a good release. There he goes. That was awesome. Oh, I just had a fish on, dude. That was a fish. Maybe he'll come back for it. Oh. Come on.